Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you Irresistible hair clip-ins that I've been rocking. This is their invisible clip-in extension. I got it in the natural black in 16 inches extra volume. So right now you see me unboxing it. This is their try-on hair and let's get to work, right? The packaging is top tier and it's optional, but I love using the packaging to store my clip-ins when I'm not using it. Guys, look how thick the hair is. Love it. So you have the silicone band or weft, which is super thin. It lays flat on the head and it's lightweight. So as you can see how flat it is, so it's undetectable when you install it. Now, I've been installing clip-ins since I was in high school, so I could pretty much do this with my eyes closed. But to be honest, this is super easy and foolproof. If you mess up, all you have to do is take it off and reapply. So I part my hair, take a clip to section off my hair, apply the clip-ins, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, I parted my hair. I like my hair super straight, so I'm just taking a flat iron and running it through the hair, and we're going to apply the clip-ins, which is super easy. So you just apply it and then you clip it into the part that we created. So as you can see, this is a perfect blend. Turning around so you guys can see how flat it's laying. You see the silicone wefts or band is allowing the clip-ins to be super flat, which I love. So it's undetectable. So we're repeating the process again. Part the hair, run a flat iron through the clip-in extensions, and then we are applying the clip-ins into the part that we created. So you attach the clip-ins and then you clip it into the part, and then that's it. Pretty easy, and then we repeat the process again. I do have a discount code for 10% off at checkout. It's I'm_Sophiarosely10. I have a link to that in the description box down below. Now let me know if you tried Irresistible Me clip-in extensions in the comments down below. I'm dying to know what's your thoughts and opinions on the extensions. Now relax, enjoy the application and the end results. See you guys soon. Hey guys, so I made it. Just met my flying partner for this quick turn. So right now she just got in. I gave her the option to choose whether or not she wants to work the front or back because this is not my trip. And I was like, let me just be nice and give her the option. So she chose the front, which is fine. It's a full service flight, so it's a meal flight. So I really don't like doing meal flights. So right now she's putting all her things away, and I'm just helping her out in the front, like, you know, when she clears out in the back, I'm going to do my tea flight. And yeah, pretty much it. So got my coffee, got my little chocolate stuff from Starbucks. She's coming in. I'll see you guys in the back. This is like my biggest pet peeve. Like when I go inside the demo equipment bag and then nobody ever put this back normally. I don't know, this is like my biggest pet peeve. Like I don't understand why I have to go inside a demo bag and you guys don't put it back correctly. I don't know, it just like really slow down my flow, you know? It's supposed to be like this, hello. Everything is good. So I was double checking the PA system. The captain info is not in yet. They got to turn on. They had to do their part and turn on what they need to turn on for the PA to work. So we're waiting on them. Let me tell you what we're doing. So you guys have an idea of the trip. We're doing LaGuardia to Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville, Tennessee, back to LaGuardia. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I am going home. I booked this trip from a friend. I like picking up turns because not a thing. It's easy for me to travel to the airport, either LaGuardia or JFK. It's pretty easy for me anyways. I have 11 days off, so I wanted to like pick up little turns here and there on days I know I'm not doing anything. And today, I'm definitely not doing anything. I would have stayed all day anyways. And the reason why I like turns is because I get to go home at the end of the day. Now, not a lot of flight attendants like turns because in some flight attendants' heads or minds, it's just like, what's the point of me going to the airport, waste my time for one turn or a couple of turns and then go home. They rather just work a whole trip, which I totally get because some flight attendants are commuters, so they can't really do turns. I'm not a commuter, thank God. Like I don't think I could be a commuter, but I'm not a commuter. Like New York is my home, so turns for me make sense, and it's a great way for me to make a little extra money while allowing me to come home. Because something that's so priceless as you work in the aviation world is that your bed is everything. Like nothing beats being in your own bed. Just the luxury of coming home after a work day. That's the reason why I like turns. So it's not a thing for me. It's so funny because I was talking to the flight attendant in the front, and she was just like, "Why would you pick up this turn?" And I'm like, "Well, you know, the reasons that I gave you guys, right? Just makes sense for me. Gives me something to do, and make extra money at the same time." So got my stuff here. My sister put me onto this, and actually this is a little cool. I'm gonna warm it up in the front. But as I'm warming this up, I'm gonna drink my coffee. So this is the white mocha macchiato coffee with almond milk. Try it has 2 shots of espresso in it, so it's with you. And then the chocolate croissant, like I mentioned, oh, this is like a guilty pleasure, these two. And I'm treating myself today for this little short day. I just want to give you an update on the hair. So the hair is holding up really good. It's been about a week since I've been wearing them, and I actually really like it. It looks natural. It's super soft and it's holding up good. One thing about these clip-ins that I really like about is that it's super lightweight. When you touch it, there's no bulkiness in it, so it feels like it's your actual hair. It's so flat and it doesn't pull on your rings as well. If you want, you can sleep with the tracks or the clippings if you want. Last night I did. I put these on last night because I didn't want to go installing the clip-ins in the morning, so I can have myself. I can give myself time to. Oh, hey!
Hello.
Vlogging. Sorry.
Dominic.
I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you.
Sweet.
I'm just doing this turn with you.
Okay. Very good. That's all I'm doing. You too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're from New York?
Yeah.
Where?
I live up in Stamford, Connecticut.
Oh, so you drive here?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, it's 38 minutes. Yeah.
Oh.
So not too bad.
All right. Well, nice meeting you too. You caught me vlogging. Hold on. Sorry, so I was talking to the captain and we had a really long chat. I don't know. They caught me vlogging. I never ever get caught vlogging ever. I try to be as discreet as possible. So yeah. They're just asking questions. I'm just like, I don't like talking about my YouTube, but anyway, that's just part of it. I'm testing out this camera. They thought the camera would look cool. I think it's cool too. It just allows me to be a little flexible when vlogging, especially if I'm doing flight attendant, traveling, vlogging in general, you know. So they're gonna do a briefing. They're just getting everything set up. I'm gonna go in the front really quickly to heat up my croissant because the girl is hungry. I forgot what I was talking to you guys about. Oh, my hair. So the hair is holding up really good. I really like it. I love the length. Everything is holding up really good. It just makes everything easy. You know what I mean? Like really, really easy. So let me go heat up the croissant. I think they're boarding now. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Alright, so we had to deplane and get on another aircraft because something was wrong with the aircraft. They found a crack in the plane. We had to wait for maintenance, and then overall they were like, you know, we're just going to give you a new plane. So everybody had to deplane, walk to a different gate, which was quite long, and now we're here and we have to do boarding again. It's annoying. You know, the thing is, it's just like in the beginning I would never pick up any flights or pick up a trip or anything like that, because in my head picking up a trip is looking for trouble. That was something that I really wholeheartedly believed in the beginning of when I started becoming a flight attendant. Now I picked up this turn just back and forth, right? I found some trouble. Now we got to do it again. These Nashville passengers, they are turned. They're like, are you going to give us our drinks when we get in the air? I'm like, yes, I will give you your drinks. Just give us a second. But everybody seems cool. So, yeah, that's what's up. The staff that came in the plane, and she's so sweet. She pre-flight everything for us so we could get right on with the boarding situation. I'm just going to check the PA just in case. Testing. So, great. So, you see, this is already done so for us. So everything seems cool. Music is on, so we're gonna start the boarding process. So, I'll see you guys hopefully in Nashville. It's good. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so we just finished the flight and it was very, very interesting to say the least. So we had to switch aircraft. Okay, so it was delayed by a little bit. There was a bunch of guys going to Nashville for a bachelor party and they were turned up. Okay, this flight was turned up. I have no more liquor, barely any snacks, barely got catered in this flight. So I don't even know how I'm going to service this flight, this upcoming flight that we're doing. So that's going to be interesting. I don't know what I'm going to do, but your girl's going to figure it out. Okay. I was sitting in the back and there were these two kids. I was just playing with them, talking with them, and it was great because
their mom was traveling alone with them, and it's tough. I'm an auntie, so I totally get it. My sister, she has 2 kids, so I just saw my sister and her and stuff, so I was just kind of helping her out, and because they were turned up too, you know what I mean? But they were sweet, beautiful kids. And at the end of the flight, the mom was like, "Oh, you've been amazing, you and your flying partner Jennifer, who I'm working with." She was just like, "You guys are the nicest flight attendants." She said she's been flying for years, and me and Jennifer is like the nicest flight attendants. And I was like, "Okay." She's like, "How long have you been flying?" And I was just like, "About a year and 6 months, give or take." And she's like, "What? The way you and Jennifer been taking care of us? It seemed like you guys been flying for over 5-10 years." I was like, "Really? No, I just met Jennifer today." So that was sweet. And it's so funny because when I went up to the gate because somebody forgot something and I was handing over the item to the gate agent, I saw Ashley and Cole, which is the 2 kids that I was helping the mom with. They were like, "Hi, Sophie, we're going to miss you." It was the cutest thing ever. And I was just like, that's the reason why I like doing what I'm doing, because I get to meet and interact with people like in this way. And I love kids. I really, really do love kids. It was a crazy, crazy flight, but I met some really good people on this flight. So Nashville, you guys are chaotic, but you guys are the sweetest people too. So I really enjoy meeting everybody in this flight.
You guys have to let me know how you guys are enjoying this camera. I think I like it. I don't know. I have to see how it is when I edit everything. So who knows? I'm really excited to be using this small camera because I feel like I get to do more and you guys get more footage, right? So we're about to board. I'll see you guys back in LaGuardia. Bye. Done. Flight was super smooth. I just went to the crew room and got some snacks for the road because your girl's in LaGuardia, so I have to take a bus and 1 train, actually 2 trains to get home. So just traveling back home is gonna be tough. So I'll see you guys.